how to turn off YouTube Accessibility Player. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Are you struggling to remove the accessibility player that keeps appearing on the screen while playing YouTube videos and shorts? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to remove it. Open Settings on your device, scroll down to the end, tap on Additional Settings, then tap on Accessibility. Select Accessibility menu. Make sure to toggle off the button for Accessibility menu shortcut. Once turned off, come back to the home screen, open YouTube on your device. You will land on its official home page. Tap on the circle with your profile picture, tap on the settings icon at the top, scroll down to the end, select Accessibility. Here you will need to perform two settings. First, tap on Hide Player Controls. A menu will appear. Select after 3 seconds so that the player controls won't last long. Second, toggle off the feature for Accessibility Player. Keep in mind that once you turn off the Accessibility Player feature, the setting for hiding player controls gets disabled automatically. However, setting this up ensures that if the Accessibility Player feature gets turned on accidentally, the player controls won't last longer than 3 seconds. Once you turn off the Accessibility Player feature, the accessibility controls will no longer appear on either YouTube long-form videos or shorts. Let's see if it actually worked. Come back to the YouTube homepage and play any video of your choice. And boom, you have successfully turned off the accessibility player on YouTube. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.